bersalin di sini. Nah, nanti kalian lihat ruang bersih itu seperti apa. Menyeramkan nggak sih? Ngeri nggak sih masuk ke ruang bersalin gitu ya?
Hello everyone, this is day 1. On the first day, we were invited by Mrs. Santika for a hospital tour from the first floor to the fifth floor. On the first floor, there was an emergency room and a radiology room. Then, we went to the first lobby, which was the registration desk. There, we took the elevator to the second floor. On the second floor, there was an option room, eye room, pharmacy, and others. And we went to CEO and C room, or Comprehensive Emergency Obstetric Neonatal Care, which is equipped with an emergency trolley in each room along with equipment for examining pregnant women, abdominal ultrasound, MRI room, ICU room, NICU room, PICU room, perinatology, and patient rooms on the 4th and 5th floor. After the hospital tour, we closed the first day field trip series by interview with Mrs. Santika about the philosophy, paradigm, and ethics of midwifery. On the second day, we interview with Mrs. Santika about Comprehensive Emergency Obstetric Neonatal Care. Mrs. Santika saw the referral system at Unpad Hospital, which is on the SISRoot website. SISRoot is used to see whether there are clients who will be referred to Unpad Hospital or vice versa. Apart from that, we were told what challenges Mrs. Santika had faced so far. On the third day, we interview with Mrs. Santika about woman-centered care. Mrs. Santika also told her various experiences when practicing at the clinic and in the village. In addition, we were also told what challenges Mrs. Santika had faced so far. On the fourth day, we interview with Mrs. Santika. In this interview, Mrs. Santika explained the midwifery management used by Unpad Hospital. Not only that, she explained how important documentation is in midwifery service. Mrs. Santika also explained about the rules in the documentation. Then, Mrs. Santika hopes if we become midwife in the future, we become midwife who think critically toward the surrounding environment. Okay, on the last day of the field trip, we did an interview and a short hospital tour, especially in the eye polyclinic and the beauty polyclinic. In the eye polyclinic, we explained the tools used during the examination. Meanwhile, at the beauty polyclinic, we saw how comfortable the bed and the aesthetic room were. After that, there was a closing to end the field trip at Unpad Hospital.
Bosannya seru.
Wow.
Seru terus kalian kayaknya bagus. Semoga terus dipertahankan sopan santunnya.